to another episode of Learning is Fun with Shloka. Today we are going to learn something very interesting. That is a computer programming language named as Python. And today I will be introducing you to Python. Welcome, and we will be using Python. Now, our learning objectives are: what is Python? Is Python easy? How Python works? Is Python interesting? And we are going to discuss these questions in our video. Now, what is Python? Python is a programming language. Yes, Python is easy and simple to learn. Python is open source and can be easily installed. Yes, Python is very interesting and fun-loving. Let us move on. Now, how to run, open a new file and save Python. To run Python, press function F5 or just F5 on your keyboard. To open a new file, press Ctrl N on your keyboard. And to save Python, press Ctrl S on your keyboard. Give the file name to save. Work on Python. Now that you know all about Python, start working on Python. Let us print. My name is Shloka. So, here, once you have installed Python idle will look like this. Right? So now, we are going to open a new file, which is Ctrl N. And now we are going to write a code. So we'll write print, open bracket, open quotes. Yes. My name is Shloka. Right? Now let's print 2 more lines. Okay. So let's print I am 6 years old. And the last line is I study in first grade. Right? And now let us go ahead and save this. You can save this as printing. So now we are going to run this. So we will press function F5 and the output is my name is Shloka. I am 6 years old. I study in first grade. This way you can write your own code, right? Do you want to go to the next level? Wait for my next video. And if you have liked, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.